Let's check if our waffles are ready. Wow, look at this. Welcome, welcome. Today we are making the best waffles around the globe. Best ingredients, yet very easy to make. You can even teach it to your children. Now let's get into it. Let's start with the ingredients. We need baking flour. We need baking powder. We need 2 eggs. We need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We need prestige. We need lemon peels, as I'm going to peel here, and we need lemon juice. Let's get started. I'm starting with peeling lemon. Grating lemon. This is enough. Now we are starting with wet ingredients. This is lemon peels, milk, vanilla, two eggs, and soda bicarbonate, and then lemon peels. Putting lemon peels, and baking powder, I mean. And then we put this is flour. Get little by little. Sugar. 2 cups of baking flour, baking powder 1.5 spoons. We need vanilla 1 teaspoon. We need milk 1/2 cup. We need brew band or prestige 200 grams, and then we need lemon peels. Enough. Wow. Waffles are going to be so sweety and so lovely. Yeah, it's now time to use our waffle maker. Are you ready to go with me, along with me? Here we go. our waffles are ready. Wow! Wow, look at this. Yes, those are our waffles. Very simple. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.